Hello, my name's Scott. In this tutorial I'm going to cover all the basics to help you get started with your Vapeescape Innokin PCC electronic cigarette starter kit. You may be wondering what an electronic cigarette is, so let me quickly demonstrate. Now at first glance it may appear that I'm smoking, but in fact I'm exhaling a vapour. There's no burning, no flame and no tobacco in this product. However, it does contain nicotine, and nicotine in its raw form is actually classed as a poison. Now that all sounds very scary, but as long as you use it in a safe and responsible manner, you have nothing to worry about. Always keep it out of reach of children. If you get it onto your hands, your skin in general, or in your mouth, don't panic, just simply rinse it off. Now let's get started and show you exactly what comes with the Vapeescape Innokin PCC electronic cigarette starter kit. When you receive your Vapeescape Innokin all-in-one electronic cigarette starter kit, it's going to come in a presentation box like this. Inside you'll find the following items: a user manual which I advise you read before use, an Innokin all-in-one portable charging case, also known as a PCC, and stored inside the PCC you'll also find one Innokin automatic 510 battery and 3 empty refillable 510 cartomizers. In addition, you'll also receive a USB charging cable, a USB output charging cable, a universal adapter and a soft carrying pouch. Here we have the portable charging case, also known as a PCC. Inside the PCC is a 1020 mAh rated battery. Once this battery is fully charged, it will store enough power to charge up to 5 of the electronic cigarette batteries. When you remove the lid, inside you'll find storage space for 3 of the Innokin 510 cartomizers and 1 of the Innokin 510 batteries. On the front of the PCC, you will find 3 small LED lights. These will tell you information regarding the charging status and charge level of your electronic cigarette's battery and the PCC's internal battery. On the base of the PCC, you will find an on-off switch, a display button, an input port and an output port. To turn the PCC on, slide the switch into the on position. When doing so, the LED lights on the front will illuminate to let you know the PCC is initializing. To find out how much charge your PCC's internal battery has left, press the display button. The LED called PCC will then illuminate a colour for 3 seconds to indicate how much charge your PCC's internal battery has left. Green means fully charged, amber means around 50%, and red means almost empty. To charge the PCC's internal battery, we're going to take the extendable input USB cable and insert this end into the input port of the PCC. Then insert this end into any female USB port, such as that found on a PC or games console. Once plugged into a power source, the PCC's LED will illuminate either red, amber or green to indicate the current charging status of the internal battery. When the light goes completely out, this will then indicate that the internal battery is now fully charged. Now the PCC has been fully charged, we can begin to charge the actual electronic cigarette battery. This is a very simple procedure. Simply insert this end into the space for the battery and press all the way down. You will then see that the LED called EC, standing for electronic cigarette, will illuminate a red colour to indicate that the battery is charging. Once the light goes completely out, this will then indicate that the electronic cigarette battery has been fully charged. Another useful feature of the portable charging case is its ability to be able to charge external devices such as your mobile phone. To do this, we're going to use the extendable USB output cable. Insert this end of the cable into the output port found on your portable charging case. And insert this end into the universal adapter. And finally, simply insert the universal adapter into the device that you wish to charge. As mentioned previously, the starter kit will come included with 3 empty, reusable 510 cartomizers. Before we start to vape, it's important that we first fill one of the empty cartomizers with some e-liquid. E-liquid can be purchased separately via the Vapeescape website and is available in a variety of flavours and strengths. We first need to remove the small rubber bung that can be found in the top of the cartomizer. Using something like a pin or paper clip, insert through the central hole and carefully prise out. For the next stage, we're going to start adding the e-liquid, and we're going to do this by holding the cartomizer at a slight angle and dripping 1 drop at a time against the side wall, allowing it to soak in before adding the next. Every 4 or 5 drops, twist the cartomizer and start again. Keep repeating this process until eventually the fluid will no longer soak into the polyester wall. And once the cartomizer has been filled, simply reinsert the rubber bung. The cartomizer is now ready to be used. Now the battery is fully charged and the cartomizer has been filled with your chosen e-liquid, we can begin to assemble the actual electronic cigarette. It's made up of 2 parts. You have an automatic battery and the cartomizer. A cartomizer is a cartridge and atomizer all built into one unit. The battery has a female connection, and around the top you can see 4 slots have been cut out. This is to allow for airflow. On the other end you will find an LED, and this will light up automatically each time you inhale. The cartomizer has a male connection, and the 2 simply screw together. Your electronic cigarette is now fully assembled and ready to be used. So by now you should have a fully charged PCC, a fully charged battery and a freshly filled cartomizer. The key to getting good vapour is to take long, controlled inhales. The longer you inhale for, the more vapour you'll produce. Let me demonstrate. Also, try not to keep the vapour held inside your lungs for too long. The longer you hold it in for, the less vapour you'll get on the exhale. Nicotine gets absorbed by the body almost immediately. You therefore gain no advantage by holding it inside your lungs for more than 1 or 2 seconds. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please contact the vapeescape.co.uk customer support team. Thanks for watching and goodbye.